Hi guys, I just want to share you something quick information with you. It will be so useful. So as the previous video, I'm not showing my face because now only I finished my workout, so I was so sweaty. So probably in the upcoming videos, maybe I will show my face and share a lot of information that will be so useful for you. Okay, let's get into the video. So what I'm trying to say is, have you ever been in the situation like some of the family members or your relative or your boyfriend or girlfriend or a friend you inside but you are not? Some of your friends have a luxurious thing like car, bike, a luxurious apartment, but you don't have anything. You know why? It's not that they only should have or they only are lucky or they are so blessed with that thing. No, everyone is blessed with equal opportunities and everyone is blessed with equal rights to enjoy every abundance and every wealth in their life. Okay, so why you're not getting that wealth? Why you're not getting that luxurious apartment, the house with the pool, with the hot tub? Why you're not getting that? No one is limiting you. You are the only one who limiting your wealth and abundance, your happiness. You are the only one who is limiting. Okay, no one is limiting, and no one is saying you can have that. You are not deserved to have that. No one is saying that. The one who says and one who limit you is you. Yeah. You only telling to yourself, I can have that. They are so rich, so they are having. Not everyone is born rich, man. They equip themselves to become rich. They worked hard. They worked their ass out to become rich. To enjoy that luxurious stuff. Everyone was not born rich, right? You are the only one who's limiting. If you're not limiting, at least you can try to achieve that thing, right? If you limit yourself, you don't even try that thing, then how you can achieve that? Can you understand what I'm saying? I'm saying don't limit yourself, man. You can achieve whatever you want. You can experience whatever luxurious things you want, man. Don't limit yourself. You are worthy enough. You are capable enough. Okay. You can ask me. Then I'm not limiting myself. Then why I'm not getting that luxury stuff? Okay. For example, if you give a Lamborghini or some luxurious car to the kid, will he or she know how to drive that Lamborghini or that luxurious car? For that kid, it was like a toy. He don't know how much horsepower it has, how sexy it was, and how costly that car is. For that kid, it was just a shiny thing with a steering. The small, she will think, that kid will think like it was a toy. He doesn't know the knowledge to upgrade that. So even though that kid has a Lamborghini or Ferrari or any other luxury car, it was utter waste, right? So if you don't have the knowledge or you don't have the capacity to handle the expensive things or lot of money, do you think you can handle lots of money? It will be so waste, man. So only you're not getting. First equip yourself. Then if you're not getting that stuff, you can be worried. Without equipping yourself or without even knowing how to handle the stuff, or you can expect that you can achieve that thing, right? Can you understand what I'm saying? You think that handling money is so easy? You think that millionaire or billionaire is so happy with luxurious life? Yeah, you can see the end result or the outer world of it. When you get inside of it, it was so tough, man. It was really, really tough. You don't know how much hard work they put into this work. They have been not slept for day and night and worked their ass out to get all of this money. Now they are enjoying, man. Without working, they can achieve this stuff. The first thing is, you should not limit yourself. Okay. If you limit yourself, you don't even try to learn this thing, right? First, don't limit yourself. Think that you can achieve it, you can have it. Everyone deserves to be happy and everyone deserves to achieve and experience whatever they want, right? No one is limiting, is the only one. You and only one is the limiting of you. You are the only enemy of you, man. Another than even some of them influence you. Who let it inside you? You can say, oh no, I know what I'm doing. Just keep your mouth shut and go. You can tell that, right? Okay, so who allow that crazy stuff inside you to affect you? If someone says you can achieve that thing, you can shut their mouth, right? Why you not shutting the mouth? You accepting the thing that they say you can achieve it. You believe in that you can achieve it. So who is the enemy, man? Overall, you are the only enemy for you, not anyone else outside of you. Even though someone affecting you, even though someone discouraging you, you can stop them. You have the rights, you have the mouth to talk, right? Then why you're not talking, man? Why you're not talking? You can talk. You can say, just shut the fuck up. I know what I'm doing. You can say that, right? Huh? Everyone can say it. So first thing is, you are the only one who limiting it, and you are the only one who believes others what others saying to you, right? You should put their own label to you, man, not anyone's label. You should believe that you can capable, not others saying you're not capable. I think I am coming to the point, right? I don't know. Okay, this was the first one. Second is, you should keep yourself, man. Okay, now you came out of the belief. At least try. I would this. At least try to learn something. Automatically that bridge will build up and you will reach your final destination. Take the first step, man. Just start with a small course which you are passionate about, or try to do to new thing, or just talk with the people who already achieve it, man. That is the biggest step you can take. Just go and talk with the people that whomever achieved that thing already. If you talk with that people, you will really grow faster than anything, man. That will be your fastest growth thing. They will share lot of knowledge to you, and it will be so much helpful for your growth. Okay, then slowly the bridge will build up, and finally you will see the end result, and you will experience all of the. Okay, you can experience all of the things that you need to. Abundance, wealth, luxurious car, luxurious water, even a flying jet too, right? It's all in your hand. First of all, what I'm saying is, don't limit yourself. At least give it a shot, man. What you going to lose by trying that stuff, right? Maybe you can embrace, or at least some of the people will appreciate you for at least trying that, man. Many of the people are still dumb in the house, not even trying that stuff. So even though you tried and failed and got embraced by surrounding peoples, some of the people will appreciate you for at least trying, for the guts that you have for trying that stuff, for taking the first step. So if you already take that first step, hats off to you, man. Congratulations. Keep on going. Don't give it up. If you don't even take the first step, it's never too late. It's never ever too late. Whatever your age is, whatever your situation is, it's never ever too late. Starts now. Start now. Yeah. Quit this video, man. Quit the fucking video. Quit this fucking YouTube. Or if you want to learn in YouTube, yeah, obviously you want to learn in YouTube. But if you not even take a first step, just if you are eating, just eat the fuck out faster and go and start that thing. Okay, I will share many more information in the next video. Until then, bye.